So here is my base piece of foil, and it's just some cardboard that I had and I've covered with foil. That is going to go down on the bottom. So this is my second piece of cardboard. It's going to be the backstop or reflector for the light, and you can see that's just old scrap cardboard as well that I've covered with the foil. Down there in the bottom I will have a turntable, which I'll show you next, and then I'll show you the UVC light. And I'm simply going to use a old cheap kind of drafting light style lamp to put that light in and shine it into there. Okay, there's the old drafting lamp that I spoke about, and for demonstration purposes I just have a LED spotlight in there for now, but and that's going to be controlled by one of those remote control Christmas tree light controller thingies you can buy. And I have a little expander here because I'm going to plug the turntable in there as well. And what I'll do is I'll just go around the corner there into the house, make sure no one's in the garage, and then turn the light on, assuming that was a UV light. Let it run for 5 minutes, and according to what I've read that scientists are researching at different universities, exposure to 5 minutes of UVC within 4 feet should kill any pathogens that you have on there. And that should be a lot quicker or easier than leaving items in the garage for 2-3 days, whatever, or covering them in bleach water to get them clean. Okay, there's the turntable, and that's what it looks like right there. So it, you know, not too exciting. It comes with these different little plastic discs to change the color depending what you're going to film on it. It's meant for putting things there and then filming them. And I took the oddly colored pink one and put foil on it. And it just runs off of a 5-volt USB, input. And since this is going to have the UV light shining on, that's why I covered the cord that'll be exposed with foil as well. Since UV deteriorates plastic, we'll try to make that last as long as we can. And then it's over there into that little switch that's controlled by the remote. And as you can see, now it's turning. So this will be set on the foil, and put whatever object you want to sanitize on there. And when I turn the switch on, let it run for 5 minutes, spinning around. It'll kill any germs on there, and we're good to go. Well, this is my UVC light. They're made in China. Ordered this on Amazon. Took about 2 weeks to get here. And they come 2 in a kit. One of them I've taken out already. And it comes with a little remote control. You can plug into the socket. Here's the controller as well. And that's what it looks like in a lamp. And I have another video you're going to see next of my setup. And I'm using a Christmas tree remote controller, so I'm not using the ones that came with it here. But you'll see in a minute how I'm using this. Okay, there's my complete setup. And I have the remote here, and I'm going to turn the light on. And you can see that's going to rotate around, and I've got the UV light in there for demonstration purposes. And that's just a regular old bulb in there now. But what I'll do is put the UV light in there. Switch that around here in a minute. Okay, I'm going to put my cell phone camera out there so you can see it's actually running the UV light. Let's see, there, I don't want to look at it myself.